In this video I'm going to show you how to make your own mayonnaise. Now it seems like a big chore when you can just buy it, but it's definitely worth it, and it's something that actually when I was a very young chef, it's one of the first things I tried to make, because Dad made homemade mayonnaise all the time at home. Pretty simple to start with. It gets a bit more tricky. You start with 2 egg yolks, and then I've got some white wine vinegar and some mustard here. I'm going to whisk them together. And then I'm going to add my oil. So I've got some sunflower oil here, and now I'm making an emulsion, which is what a mayonnaise is. So basically I'm trying to get the oil to emulsify with the water in the egg yolks. And it is tricky, they don't want to get together. So you have to start very, very slowly. So start, just dribble, just a dribble. Like so. And then once it starts to thicken in a bit, you can add it a bit more quickly. For the time being, just a dribble. So now it's starting to thicken. I can see it's starting to thicken. It's nowhere near thick enough, but I can be a bit more confident I won't spill it now. So I can start to go for it a bit quicker. So now it's getting really thick. As you can see, coming to the end, just a bit more oil. There we go. Quick season it. Just some salt. And there we go. That is how to make homemade mayonnaise.